Namaste everyone, welcome to ICAM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 7 from sloka number 21. Yo yo yayantanum bhaktah shraddhayartitumicchati tasya tasyachalam shraddham tameva vidadhamyaham. Krishna is telling, whoever desires to faithfully worship any particular form, whichever one it is, I grant him the necessary sincerity to do so. तथया श्रद्धया युक्तः तस्याराधनमीहते लभते च ततः कामान् मयैव विहितान् हितान्. A person endowed with such faith desires to worship a particular form, and he attains the fulfillment of his desire only because of me. अन्तवत्तु फलं तेषां तद्भवत्यल्पमेधसां देवान् देवयजो यान्ति मद्भक्ता यान्ति मामपि. Men of small intelligence worship the demigods, and the results of such worship are temporary. Those who worship the gods attain the gods, and my devotees attains me. Avyakta vyakti manyante mama present ignorant of my supreme nature, be the unmanifest embodied. Prakasha नाभिजानाति लोको intelligent as I am covered by illusion, and therefore they do not recognize me as the unborn and unfallible one. वेदाहं समतीतानि वर्तमानानि चार्जुन भविष्यानि च भूतानि न तु वेद न कश्चन. O Arjuna, I know the past, present, future of all beings, but no one इच्छाद्वेषसमुत्थेन द्वन्द्वमोहेन भारत सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहं सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप. O descendant of Bharata, destroyer of enemies, all beings are born into delusion, bewildered by the dualities arising from desire and hate. येषां त्वन्तगतं पापं जनानां पुण्यकर्मणां ते द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ताः भजन्ते मां दृढौ व्रताः. Those persons who acted piously in previous lives and who act piously in this life are liberated from the delusions of dualities and serve me with determination and faith. Jara marana mokshaya mamashritya yatanti ye te brahma tadviduh kritsnam adhyatmam karma chakhilam. Those who strive for liberation from old age and death take refuge in me and are Brahman because they understand transcendental activity. साधिभूताधिदैवं मां साधियज्ञं च ये विदुः प्रयाणकालेऽपि च मां te viduryukta those who know me as the governing principle of the material world, of the demigods, and of all methods of sacrifice, know me and understand me even at the time of death. ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे ज्ञानविज्ञानयोगो नाम सप्तमोऽध्यायः।